Mercedes, will you take this apple for me? Okay, what I want you to do is hold that apple up. Hold it over the middle of the bed of nails. Hold it up high. Let it go. Let's see here. Whoa. Those are real nails. Now, here's the thing. All these nails, the funny thing is they're all laid out evenly, straight. So, let's have some real fun. Now, guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here we go. Wait a minute.
I'm not doing it hard.
I'm not doing it hard enough. All right, you do it. Go ahead, put it right there. Wait a minute.
Huh? Oh, my.
So, here's the science.
Okay.
Equal distribution of weight. It's all the same weight.
Okay.
All right?
All right.
There's not one nail that's pushing down on this balloon. That's not happening. What you happen to have, you have several nails pushing down on the balloon, and it doesn't cause it to pop. Now, the apple doesn't give.
Right.
The apple doesn't give. The
Right.
apple gets stuck. The balloon gives equal distribution of weight. So I could, if I wanted to, lay down on these nails and have somebody stand on top of my chest.
Wow.
And I wouldn't get hurt.
You wouldn't?
Not at all.
Really?
Exactly.
So there's no magic to it?
There's no magic. This is just science. Now, a lot of people over the years have always said that different things are magic. But it's nothing more than a physical or a chemical change. Take, for instance, this lighter.
Right.
Okay?
Okay.
Fire, in and of itself, is a physical change because what you'll do is you take something and get it hot. But when we see it, now we got a chemical change. Something's going on. A lot of magic is an unexplained chemical change. A lot of magic just like...
Woo! How did you do that?
Was that magic?
What was that?
Oh, that
How did you do that?
is what we have. This is what magicians use. It's a chemical called nitrocellulose. It's what we call flash paper, okay? They want you to see the fire. It's bright. It's all over the place, but there's no magic to it. This is nothing more than science. So nails.
So it just disintegrates.
What it does is it literally, when you burn something like paper, you'll get light, and then you'll get some heat, you'll get some smoke, and then you'll get ashes. But these chemicals, when they're mixed together, it doesn't leave behind any ashes. It looks just like there's some kind of magic, but it's not magic. It's science.
So you're telling us all the ins and outs of magic.
Well, you know what I want everybody knows, I want them to understand how things work. Now, one of the neat things is we get to use some very nice, very interesting, and very fun things. One of the things we happen to have is something called dry ice.
Okay.
Now, you can't touch dry ice with your bare hands, can you?
That's how we take
No.
our ice cream home, right? Dry
Well,
ice.
you can take your ice cream home in dry ice.
Okay.
So, I have this cooler. Inside of my cooler, have a block of dry ice there. Now, there's a little noise going on.
Yeah, right.
Because dry ice is extremely, extremely cold. It is 109.3 degrees below zero.
Really?
Yes, negative 79 degrees Celsius. It's freezing cold. Beyond freezing.
Why are you wearing gloves?
Well, here's what happens. Since it's so cold, if I were to touch with my bare hands, my fingers, the oil and water in my fingers would start to freeze and stick to the ice. Here.
Oh, okay.
We'll use a quarter, okay? We'll put George Washington's nose right in the ice. We'll let George see, and he'll tell us how cold the ice is. All right, ready?
Yep.
All right, here we go. George, is that cold? What do you think, buddy?
He's shivering.
Let's see. Is George letting us know how cold that is right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, he is shivering just a little bit. Exactly. Because it's so cold. If you were to touch that with your hands, it would feel like it's burning, but it's not burning. What's actually happening is your fingers are freezing, and that's dangerous. Most of us understand that things that are hot are dangerous, but we don't realize that things that are cold are dangerous.
All right, that's the voice of Nitro Joe right here, our mad scientist. I hope you're enjoying our program. Don't go anywhere. We're coming back with a little more science right after this. Stay with us.